safe industry. Unless we make the company very safe, our people will not be safe and the families will not be safe. So we approached DuPont.
DuPont believes that if they really want to make a difference, they have to really go through the culture change process.
और हम नहीं चाहते हैं कि जो हम स्टील उत्पादन करें वह उसमें खून ब्लड लगा हो, लेकिन डुपॉन्ट के आने के बाद काफी बदलाव आए हैं.
We were seeing women employees coming to the site wearing the traditional saris. That could lead to major injuries. Going and talking to the women about changing their dress is a sensitive issue. So we assembled them in a room and then we talked to them about safety. And their response was, if this is something which we need to change, we are willing to change.
हम लोग टाटा स्टील में साड़ी से पैंट शर्ट में आना पहला लेडीज थे. हम लोग पहला फर्स्ट बैच थे जिश्वनी का. बड़ी बड़ी गाड़ियां हैं, ट्रक है, डोजर है, डंपर है, लोको है, तो आप लोग चला सकते हो. तो हम लोग बोले कि हाँ सर, हम लोग साड़ी से पैंट शर्ट में आए हैं, तो क्यों नहीं ये काम करे.
If you influence the women, it has a lot of influence on the society.
सारा जगह हम लोग सेफ्टी लेके चलते हैं. घर पे आने के बाद बच्चे लोग को भी सिखाते हैं कि ये काम ऐसा है, विद सेफ्टी से करो.
You need to consider society as a part of the business and you need to give back to the society many times more than what you get from.
तैयार तो हूँ मैं माँ बनने के लिए और फिर से तुम्हारी दुल्हन बनने के लिए.
प्रसव पश्चात IUCD यानी PPIUCD डिलीवरी के तुरंत बाद अपनाने से आप बच्चों के बीच 3 साल का अंतर रख सकते हैं. सुरक्षित और भरोसेमंद. इससे आपको मिले बच्चे और पति को प्यार करने की पूरी आजादी.
प्रसव पश्चात IUCD अपनाओ और दोनों रिश्ते निभाओ.
This is the end thing. I wanna do my thing. Everything. This is the end thing. This is the end thing. I wanna do my thing. Everything.
Presenting Stingray. Everything about me packed in one. Stingray.
My thing. Everything.
Once perceived as a niche product, robots have already begun to be accepted as machines that could become a part of our daily routine, protecting us from harm by doing the dangerous work for us. What if we could replace some of the most dangerous jobs out there with robots? Could robots be the key to realizing the idea of zero workplace accidents? An exciting company called GridBots believes so. Their robotic technology is aiming for zero injuries and accidents while maximizing manufacturing productivity.
These welding robots, assembly robots, pick and place robots, and painting robots perform on a daily basis in industries worldwide. Making such robots a household name in Indian manufacturing space as well is Pulkit Gaur, who always had robotics on his mind.
Since my childhood, I have been working on various toys. First of all, I started working with toys. I used to disassemble them and try to assemble them. So disassembling was very easy, but trying to assemble them back was a bit difficult, and I had to really understand the mechanisms, which was very difficult for a kid of that age. So I started reading about machines and before getting into engineering, I made a lot of robots. I participated in various competitions while I was in engineering. So that hobby continued, and I took my stream as a mechanical engineering, as a mechanical engineer. And I learned a lot about machines, how exactly they function, how they're designed. So that was the one of the reasons why actually I decided to start manufacturing robots instead of just be a company which programs them or which just make electronics for them.
With his hands-on experience, Pulkit Gaur established GridBots to develop robots that can minimize the risk to human life and bring a paradigm shift in how we look at these machines.
robots are used in the situations where there is a dirty, dangerous or dull kind of like environment.
If I'm talking about bomb disposal robots, or if I'm talking about robots which can carry a grenade or they can find out landmines, so we are minimizing the risk of soldiers, which is very important for Indian Army or for our nation. This way we are trying to make robots which are not replacing human beings in industry, they are trying to augment the capabilities of human beings.
Gaur and his 35-member team design, manufacture and customize robots that can think for themselves and make more energy-efficient decisions. But most importantly, GridBots aims at reducing human involvement in dangerous tasks.
For space agencies also we manufacture robots. These robots are very lightweight robots and can like have multiple degrees of freedom. So various actuators can be put on them and then they can like again be remotely controlled.
A key innovation from GridBots toolbox is their underwater cleaning robot that achieves zero water wastage inside nuclear tanks.
So what this robot actually can do is it can be sent inside the water tanks which is containing the nuclear material, and it can work, it can clean the tank and you can perform various kind of operations. These are the tracks which help this robot move inside the water tank, and these are the two brushes. So these two brushes keep on cleaning the nuclear waste, and all this nuclear waste is sucked by a pump which is on board this robot. It's a heavy duty pump. So it takes all the nuclear dirt and it pumps that out. So there are filters which are mounted in the robot also. In these filters all the nuclear material is deposited, and later on these filters can be directly disposed of.
What could be the game changer in India is that Gaur's products cost a fifth of those available in the global market. Around 90% of his work is for the government for industrial use. But the potential for application doesn't end here. GridBots is also addressing the demand for consumer-level robots, especially around the household. Can't risk leaving your home unmonitored? Bring home the GridBots GSR-1 and let the stealth surveillance camera capture every action real-time for you at your workplace or wherever you are. There are even robots that can be fitted inside lifelike mannequins or a customized silicon prosthetic limb. The possibilities are exciting and innumerable.
So what we are trying to do, we are trying to make our robots look like human beings. For example, what we have done is like we have collaborated with one of the companies which is also based out of Ahmedabad. They make hyper-realistic mannequins. The company name is Dirty Hands. What we have done is like we have, both of us have joined hands, and we have developed robots that really look like human beings. They are like more realistic. And in the meantime what we do is like our part is to make these robots function really well.
The work that I saw was an eyeball movement, and when I saw that I was intrigued, completely intrigued. So I asked him, I said, you know, if we collaborate and we put silicon which is really hyper realistic and you get that feel of flesh even when you touch it. So if we collaborate and put movement into it, it brings out that hyper realism even more.
With smart sensors and automatic localization technology, these robotic geniuses are an example of the re-engineered manufacturing process that is enabling India to achieve its quest for zero damage to human life.
So I believe Power of Shunya is something to innovate, something to start with the beginning and then take it to a new level of creativity and innovation. And this thing directly applies to my company also, because GridBot thrives on creativity and innovation in terms of customization of services as well as our robotic products.
Manufacturing is slowly but surely regaining its importance in the Indian economic mix. The Indian manufacturing sector is experiencing something of renaissance, a wave of growth that potentially promises to roll back the decline we saw in the late 90s. If you too have an innovation that is solving or has the potential to solve some of the biggest problems we are facing today, you can write into us at powerofshunya13@timesgroup.com. This could earn you a chance to feature on this show. Until next week, from me, Anupam Kher, it is goodbye.
Our quest to find innovators continues next week on The Power of Shunya. We meet a company that is dedicated to protecting life at the most delicate stage. Get inspired by companies that are collaborating to make sure that medicines that you ingest are safe and reliable, and see how decoding your genes can cut down your risk for chronic diseases.
वही पर मन में डर हो गई जो ऐसा करतन सारी शादी में कह दे ड्राइवर से।
ट्रकों के द्वारा लगभग 20,000 दुर्घटनाएं एक साल में होती हैं। हम बिल्कुल चाहते हैं कि ट्रक ड्राइवरों के लिए हमारी ट्रक सेफ्टी हो।
DuPont has a long history of collaborating with Tata Motors, which will make the components more reliable.
बोली ले हे भगवान, हमारा आदमी के सही सलामत लेकर चले।